Hi, I'm Lise from Woodbridge, and my husband and I chose Senso Design because of their ease of use, transparency. Mark, as soon as we met him, he was so approachable. We were really nervous because we did our entire home and we heard so many horror stories. What we loved about Mark from the beginning is that he was clear, he was transparent, and most importantly, he partnered with us. For anyone who's thinking about a big reno, you definitely want a strong partner, somebody who's going to work with you, somebody who's going to understand your concerns, somebody who's going to really help you to capture your vision. And absolutely, Mark and his team did that. They really brought our vision to life.